Everybody, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best, and I'd like to show you how to install a shade panel onto a door, okay? We measured for the inside of the frame, so I'm going to slide it behind this safety bar here, pull in the plunger latches, right there, just slide it in, okay? And what you do is I have a, okay, so what you do is you put this top channel on the top, and I'm going to check to see how much room there is if I'm going to mount this at the back or turn it around and do it to the front. Depends how much room there is up there. I don't think there's much room. To the back of this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-drill it a little bit with the self-tapper right here.
Do you have any videos?
So it's easier to screw in. Catch that? Other side too. Okay. This part's going to go back. So slide it up. In the channel. Okay, all the way up. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot two set screws, one here, one here. Okay, and then you have the little plunger latches, you just kind of push them in there. Okay. Make sure that they're springing. There we go, right there. And it just kind of holds it there. That's it. So guys, hey, this is how you install a shade panel for your office door, okay? Thank you very much, take care, God bless, and catch you next time. See ya.
Don't forget to order your screen door at bestcustomscreens.com. Catch you guys next time. Bye.